name and welcome to my channel. Okay, today we are going to look at another resource. Okay, we are still continuing on with our Make Money Online series, simple tasks. Okay, so as usual, if you're really enjoying these tasks, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, tell me something so that I continue and be encouraged to produce these videos every single week. Okay, now we're going to look at how you can earn $24 per hour designing logos like these beautiful logos you see right over here, and other design related things, let's say websites, banners, that kind of line of work. Now this is very good for guys who are the creative type, already into the line of design and all that kind of thing. So now let's go to a very popular site that you all know. Okay, I'm sure everyone is very familiar with 99designs.com. Pretty much if you've been around the community and you've thought of designing something, coming up mostly with logos and banners and all that kind of thing, and you check on Google or any search, they highly usually recommend this website here. But now for this case, you are not requesting to have logos made for you. You actually the one going to be making the logos for other clients and make money in the process. Okay, now there are two ways in which you can make money and jump into this website to work. Okay, now you can work directly with a client, okay, depending of course on your skill set and your portfolio. When you sign up, you'll have to upload all your portfolio, the kind of works you've done, so that it speaks for you. Yeah, now the 99 Design can get you working with a client directly, okay, or you can do it through a contest. Yeah, the client submits his request, and then many of you work upon it and give a variety of design alternatives to the client. Okay, now let's just go over the site, feel it, to get a general feel of the website and what it's all about. Okay, now this is the founder right here. Okay, now one thing you're supposed to know about this website here is that it's a very popular website. Okay, it's very popular in that you can't imagine, look at the numbers on the screen right now. Yeah, every 2 seconds we have a new design being created. Are you seeing this number? This is too much. It's amazing. Just look at that. 1 2 1 2. Every 2 seconds a design is created. Okay, now let's explore. Let your work be influenced by new surroundings. You can work from anywhere. Yeah, so you can just click here to join as a designer, and then you sign up and you start your portfolio. Okay, let's see, let's go explore their blog and see what it's all about and what's happening there. Okay, the creative age. So as you can see, the site is all about design. Okay, design all the way, build your brand, get inspired. So you're going to be paid to actually do the designs themselves. Okay, that is going to be your job, to design those different kind of jobs that the site offers. Let's just go back and still try to explore this site and see what it's all about, how much you can earn. Okay, see the pricing here. Oh, actually the price quite something. Okay, So now people who have used this site report one big advantage is that they are given a lot of alternatives. Okay, yeah. So now meaning you'll have to be quite a good designer to make it through. Yeah, if you begin, of course you can come here and also begin, and you'll go on improving your skills and your rating, because they pay according to your level of skill and of course the rating that your clients give you. Okay, okay, you can see there. Then I think you can also sign up as an agency. Okay, find a designer you love. Now this is the buyer side. Let's just look at the agency side and see. So guys, as you can see, just come to this site, sign up, and then start creating designs for people. Yeah, okay, this is pro something. Try it for free. Okay, 99 design, 39 to 79. Okay, so now guys, how much does it cost? Okay, where do I start? Okay, so now guys, you just come to this site and explore it, find out how much the maximum it can pay you. Is it something you're considering to take up? Yeah, but most importantly, you should be interested in design and creative works of this nature. Yeah, otherwise remember to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and then if you want to earn passive income online, okay, if you want to set up a business online that is very sustainable and brings you exponential growth and income, and you don't have to really trade a lot of time for the dollars, okay, just click on the first link in my description. It will take you to the system we are using right now. Okay, as usual, give me the thumbs, click like, and see you in the next video.